Just wrapping up a board of directors meeting here. We're at the Sunset Point restaurant north of Phoenix. What a danger. Looks like he's always in trouble. Susie, you're not in trouble, I see. Huh. Danger. Go for a ride? Go for a ride? I don't know why he does that. We decided we're going to do some paperwork here. I'm going to spend the night. This is the restaurant north of Phoenix called Sunset Point. Pretty scenic. And the weather broke. It's not hotter. It's not hot. That's a good thing. Looks like we've got the second or third night on a new moon. Take that. Bradshaw Mountains out there, looking around out there. What do you think, Susie? Huh? Looking up towards Chino Valley, Prescott Valley up there. There's a little bit of a storm up there. Should see some lightning flashes out of that one. Pretty nice. Huh, Dange? I'm in trouble. I didn't even do nothing. I'm in trouble. Why do you do that, kid, huh? You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble, Dange. You look so funny when you do that. You're not in trouble. You're a good boy. High five? High five, Dange. Danger, give me a high five. High five. Come on, high five. High five. Under duress. Under duress, huh, pup? Yeah, pretty nice. Wish I had a radio control glider. Fly the glass off. That bag of dog food's kind of disappointing, huh? What do you think, Susie? Good girl. Get it? Morning coffee with Itchy Susie. What you doing, Itchy Susie, huh? She's got a itch condition. I got some stuff for her that does help cut down a lot. She's got her and Danger both had the front line, so it's not bugs. We're just here enjoying our coffee, waiting for hours to come around. We're up in Heber, Arizona. We spent the night here behind the Circle K, making a run when the time comes around.